So I've decided I'm on my rich girl era this year, which means I'm buying less of this. I had to realize it the hard way, but low-key, this was draining my bank account, even though I love this brand. So in this video, I'm going to show you the items that I got recently that I think are worth it, and how I'm dealing with this new mindset of overspending and how I'm avoiding overspending on things that I don't really need right now. So if you guys know, in this channel, you've seen the last like 2-3 years, I've been buying a lot of Oner Active. It's basically the only gymwear I actually buy, to be honest. Yesterday, one of my clients actually saw my bag here from Oner Active, and she was like, "Oh, have you tried? Are they worth it?" And I was like, yeah, I actually only buy from them from the last like 3 years. And I've purchased a lot of stuff, so many collections, so many colors. And even though they do have every time, like every couple of weeks, they have a new launch, I've been avoiding looking at them. So what I'm doing right now to avoid buying more from Oner Active, even though I love them and I love the brand, I love the styles, is I'm avoiding looking at their Instagram. I'm not going after it. I avoid watching the stories. I've been on Instagram way less actually on my personal Instagram. I've been way more on my professional Instagram for my studio here. I actually have another channel that is more about my business, that I work by myself. I have my own studio, and I'll be talking more about like growing my business and finances there. Very open chat, like I'm not an expert at all. But as you guys can see, I'm trying to change a few things, small things that can make a big impact in my bank account, at least. So I've been avoiding looking too much at Oner Active. I bought stuff recently that is just stuff that I wanted for some time, and some new items that I really love. And I'll explain you why and how were the changes that I made, because I made some changes on my sizing as well for these items and why. And I'm really happy I made those changes. So the first items you're gonna see is these ones that I'm wearing actually. I got this new top, which is this is the regular length, so it goes all the way down here. So if I stretch it down, it goes all the way down here. And it's just a scoop back. It's a SoftMotion item. This is the black collar. Yeah, so I got the straight leg SoftMotion. And what I did in these two items was I sized up. So both of them, I sized up to medium. And the pants, even though I'm 157, that's my height. That's around 5'1" or something like that. I got a regular length because I realized the short length, it rides up a little bit here on my thighs, and then it's gonna look too short. I don't like when I can see the whole shoe. Sometimes I can even see like my heels, and I don't like that. I like it covering my ankles and covering at least half of my shoes. So I would rather have it touching the floor than it showing my whole feet. I sized up for medium for this and for this. These two items I would usually get a small size. I decided to size up because of comfort. So I was thinking about them, you know, I'm here at my studio the whole day, working with clients the whole day. And also when I travel, I wanted something like very comfortable. And I live in Hong Kong, so wearing like comfy sweat sets is not a reality at all. Like it's a reality for like 2 months of the year, maybe, because this last winter was like barely that. Yeah, so I could do that for like 2 months, and the rest of the other 10 months is so hot that's not an option going to the airport with like cutesy sweat sets, even though I love sweaters. So I wanted something comfortable. I was about to travel, so I did actually get this right on time for my Japan trip. I wore this there and to Japan and on the way back as well. And two things, the straight leg pants, I already had one, but I had the soft black. And when they launched this real black, I was really like, I really like the real black, because to be honest, I don't really like the soft black. Like a lot of people like it. It's fine if you like it, that's great. But I don't really like it because for me, when I look at it, it looks like a very old pair of pants, and it's already like so used, like you washed it so many times that the color like faded a little bit already. So I don't really like that. Also, another thing that I had the problem with those pants is, while they sometimes did look a little bit short, actually that one wasn't too bad. I find like the fold overs look much shorter than the regular ones. I've said that in another video here. But my black one, it started like having those piling, you know, and there's a little bit like little balls of cotton here on the sides of your leggings or in the middle of your thighs from friction. So I got a machine to remove those, and then the machine made a hole. There was a hole, 2 holes actually on my leggings. So that made it look even worse, because for me, I already saw the color as like an old item color, and then it had holes in it. So I was like, oh my god, now. So I really wanted to get the real black one. So I have this now, and the top is so comfortable. I actually got this top in 2 colors. So my other items that I bought were these ones here. So here's my bag, not a huge bag, a small bag. I think this is the smallest bag I ever got from Oner Active. I only got 4 items, so I got these 2, right? I got another top just like this one, also on medium size, but in brown color, which brown is it? Plum brown. So I got in the plum brown color here. If I have a photo of how I'm planning to wear these, I'm gonna put here on the screen for you. But I'm really excited to wear this because I want to wear this with like my pair of jeans to come to work. And the other item, so this brown one I'm not gonna be trying for you guys because the same thing as this one I'm wearing, but it's brown. But this other one I'm actually quite excited, and this one I'll try for us to see, which is a brand new item, mellow rib racer back vest with a built-in bra shelf. This one is just like a tee. The back is a racer back. This one, let me see what size I got. This one I got a small size. This one is cute. It's kind of like an off-white, so it's not like a pure white. It's an off-white, and it has Oner in the middle in navy blue. So it's really cute. I'll try this one for you guys in a minute. But one thing I'll tell you about also this top that I'm wearing, they did have the regular length and the short length. So I usually would prefer the short length, especially because I was already thinking about buying with these leggings. Because right now the long one, I have to hide it underneath my leggings, the pants. I don't really like doing that, but I find it that it look more professional, like not showing my belly at work, even though it doesn't really look, you know, but I'm always like pulling it down and fixing it when I get up. Yeah, and I just wanted to look more put together and not too comfortable or too casual at work. So that was the reason why I got the long one, but maybe later I'll get the same one, but short length for the black or maybe other colors. They don't have a lot of colors on this one. The colors that they have are more neutral colors. It's more like the browns, black, grays, white, some green, but not a lot of green. Like they don't have the racer green. My favorite green. They don't have it, but they have another one. Yeah. So another thing is, so I'm trying to save money. I'm trying not to spend too much on this. Trying to also grow my business a little bit more because I have big plans. I don't know if my video about this big plan or it's already on the channel or not. You can go check by the time you watch this video. And you know, I've also been listening to a lot of audiobooks about money, growing business, stuff like that. I want to invest more money instead of spending it. So I'm thinking like the money that I will be buying stuff, I'm gonna be actually investing instead of spending. And hopefully like that, I can start my rich girl era. But yeah, if you want more, I'm not gonna be talking about too much about that here. You can go to my other channel. I'll talk about that there more for girls. Go follow me there. Okay, let's go to the try on haul. I'm gonna show you the last piece of today. Okay, so I put here the other top, and I'm gonna be real honest, I didn't really love it. I mean, I did love the top, but there's one detail that I'm a little bit scared now, is that the pads are really see-through. You can probably see from there, the pads, you can see the shape right here and right here. You see the white shape underneath it, and the fabric is white, so of course it's gonna be more see-through. But then, you know, the top here, it is double layer, so there's a layer inside, outside, and then there's pads inside it. This is the back. Okay, so I'm gonna remove them and then we're gonna find out if hopefully it's not see-through. Okay, so I have removed them and it's actually much better. Ta-da! Took them off. They don't look nice. And it's not see-through because there are 2 layers. So it's quite thick, the material on top. You might probably be able to see, I don't know if you can see from there, like there's an elastic band here. See? So you can probably see a little bit of a difference, but you know, that's fine. That's fine. I don't mind that. I just didn't like this showing off. Also, this is the very thin one, which is a bit flimsy. I don't really like this thin one. It moves every time inside the bra. It gets all like messed up inside and like this inside your bra. And it folds and has wrinkles. I don't like this thin one. I wish they would go back with the thicker one. It doesn't matter if you're gonna remove them anyways, and it doesn't matter which one it is. So I guess there's no point of me arguing and complaining about that. And I have a few more videos about my recent Oner Active stuff that I bought. The SoftMotion, so this is the Mellow Soft, and the rest is SoftMotion collection. I also have my last completions here, and bench tips for girls, pull-up tips for girls, and let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll bring for you.